You think up, what do you think up here though? You think it's a terrible long life for up here live? I want them Luman life that up here live. We're working hard and we're trying to do things to the country and we're doing that the cargo come. Right? First and foremost, it take forever for you with the cargo. Right? And when the cargo come out and we start looking to the cargo, Starlink missing, stove missing, all kind of rass, but there's no reason for nobody that thinks of your teeth, nothing from the people in Jamaica. You understand me? But the sound stay on have a dirty, crowbait, reptobate, blood clot mentality to break my fucking heart. You understand me? I should have come down and come go to some scandal back because of that on the blood clot deserve. You know? You see it? Right? We don't have no clout and we know that the people in the dire straits. So we have a thief and poor people and thief and people who go through such a hard time. We're not broken at the barrel. Broken at the barrel, and so we ask a question. Where is the oversight? Where are the security measures? Because you can't go through the airport and fart. So how somebody leave the airport with so much things, all these things where these packages come tampered with. Right? And you think that nice? A whole lot of people up here, see Barton flying, see plane that come to Jamaica, come go to things and crash. See Barton make 2 flights, them fly Monday, them fly Tuesday. 2 big rascal cargo plane. All if you know, say, when we open the package, everything tampered, everything, what I do, we don't really deal with. We can't continue, so. We cannot continue like this. It's painful. Because we're up on the battlefield, I'm on even I'm from man, I run up and down and I meet people left, right, and center to secure something for my nation. Right? Oh, if I not secure, I don't just hurt my feelings, the blood clot. I don't have no idea.